Alright, well, it was just far too darn cold this morning. I also mixed that fuel up, so I made a mistake there, which is why I had so much trouble starting this morning. But the ET6 ran for a little bit, pretty nice. The ET7 just didn't want to cooperate. Too cold this morning. It did warm up from -13 to -12 Celsius, so that's 7 and 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. So, that's why we had so much trouble. It's just too darn cold out here. It's cold enough that the lithium-ion battery in my drill for starting this little engine is not happy right now, even though it was fully charged when I came out here this morning, because it's just too darn cold. Oh, and I just kicked the tripod. Oh well. I'm gonna clean up and go back inside where it's warmer, because yeah, it's no fun if none of this is gonna work and it's too darn cold.